Good day, everyone. Welcome to today's sharing about line paper. Today, we will focus on our precise industry path, customer structure, and 5P philosophy that shapes our product customer service system. Let's cut to the chase. What's the backbone of our business? It all starts with our customer. So how many customer groups are we currently working with? And more important, how do we tailor our service to meet their unique needs? Our customer groups have brand company, design studio, distribute, gift company, game company, and beauty brands, and so on. The answer right here. Our product category management is not just a framework, it's the engine that drives what we create, how we position our product in the market, and exactly how we outperform the competition to win. We have stationery, tote bags and storage, and gift bag packaging, the three main products. First one is stationery, our main product. It's including notebooks, hardcover and softcover, planners, and dated, undated, calendars, wall calendar, and text calendar. This is all for stationery. And the second one is tote bag and storage. The pencil pouch and cosmetic bags, portable stager bag, and brand tote bag. This kind of pouch and bags is the second category. And the third category is gift box packaging. Gift box, gift wrap, gift bag, this kind of gift seasonal items is the third main category. Now, the products are essential, but they are just the starting line. What really looks in long-term customer loyalty? What makes them choose us again and again? It's our full circle closed loop service. The first one is research. We study online and offline and find a lot of the ideas and thinking about the product our customer wanted. And the second is idea development. We divide into different products. The third one is sample making. Normally we cost about 5 days and we choose right material, right structure of product and make out a sample. And we will send the sample to our customer make a final decision, and they were thinking about and comment on it and give our approve or testing order. Then we move to the production. Normally, if a testing order by 1,500 pieces, we will cost 25 days. About 10K, 50 days is fine. And then we ready the product. We will make inspection and packaging and ship to customer side. Customer will receive the shipment. They will put on their shelf and testing and give our feedback. Which one is sells good? Which one is so-so? And then we will study together with customer and make research, make improvement of the product, and also a kind of the packing improvement. We start from inquiry, we research, and finally, after sales, we get improvement of sales support. This all the core advantage we show to our customer. Nowadays, we show all the process in all steps to reduce delivery risk and make cooperation more efficiently. And this service model isn't random. It's built on our core 5P philosophy. So let's get into it. First up, that two foundation pillars that everything else rests on: people and product. Basic demand type. We usually service for age range about 18 to 22. Their background is about student. They are good value for money and basic foundation, long lasting. Product service, the local sell stationery and standard packaging. This is the basic demand type. And in the middle, we will cost performance oriented items. They are service for 23 to 30. They are new work service for. They are balanced quality and price, easy to carry. And some of product is middle range storage bag, useful planner, simple logo, customization, this kind of product. And regarding the high quality customization type, age is 31 to 35. Job background is middle carry staffs or small brand owner. They are middle to high grade material, customer design, brand value, and hardcover notebooks, customer gift box, full circle design advice. Alright, we have covered people and products. Now let's round out the picture. How do we tie these pillars together, people and products? We align our strategy across remaining three critical elements: place, promotion, and price. We make price in channel layout, mass market, online, offline channels, brand company. And for the promotion, nowadays it's changed a lot. We make online advertising testing, use Google Ads or Meta Ads to test design attractiveness and market acceptance or not. This is really important and helpful for us, our customer make decision. And regarding the price, we have price strategy, end price on the 10 and end price 10 to 15, end price above 20. This is three kind of the pricing range we are focused on. Okay, let's take a step back and recap. We have talked about customer segmentation, product management, full circle service, and the full 5P system. Now let's boil it all down to our core advantage and how we deliver real measurable value to every single one of our customers. We have 6 customer seasonals meet different scale needs, 3 main systematic category, and 7-step closed loop service, and strong 5P cooperation. That's all we can deliver real and measurable customer value. We can do for the brand customer, combine design, relation, and mass production and market test to help them quick and make decision and take the market share. And for the small and middle customers, short time sampling making, low MOQ, and that make their business more easier. That's all for today. Thank you for your listening and feel free to contact us anytime.